Good morning, children. It's finally Friday. I hope your weekend is utterly fantastic. I welcome you all in your GK class. This is Shivani ma'am, and we will do today some interesting things. Yes, we are starting a new topic today. So let's have a look. All right, children. So today we will discuss a new topic. It is related to reading books. It is about books, their characters, the authors, the creators, etc., etc. The wonder world, the story world, the dream world. So who all will have this fun with me? Yes, great. All of you, I am sure. So today our topic is about characters and creators. In your GK book, there is a chapter named Characters and Creators. Creators are the authors. Alright? And reading is a very good habit. We all must read. We should. No matter it's a small comic or a small story, anything you like, we must make a habit of reading. It is always better. The more that you read, the more things you will know. जितना आप पढ़ेंगे उतनी आपकी नॉलेज बढ़ती जाएगी. I am not talking about your school books, the school chapters, Hindi, English, EVS. No GK. I am not talking about of any of your subject book. I am talking about some interesting books, some interesting stories, right? The more you learn, the more places you will go. Children, let me tell you one thing. When you start reading, when you start a book, then during reading only, you go in a different world. This is my own personal experience. When I was of your age, when I was in class 4 or class 5, I think, I started reading small comics. Alice in the Wonderland, Champak was my favorite. I used to read those small stories और शायद मैं एक अलग दुनिया में चली जाती थी. तो जितना आप पढ़ेंगे, जितना अच्छा पढ़ेंगे और जितना सीखेंगे, किताबों की दुनिया बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत है बच्चों. एक बार ये छोटी छोटी किताबें और छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज पढ़ने की कोशिश ज़रूर करिएगा. टुडे आई विल टेल यू अबाउट बुक्स, सम इंटरेस्टिंग बुक्स. लेट्स हैव अ लुक. कैरेक्टर्स एंड क्रिएटर्स. ऑलराइट, ओके. नाउ दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर बुक. यू कैन सी इन योर जीके बुक द चैप्टर कैरेक्टर्स एंड क्रिएटर्स. नाउ wait, I'll just, okay, that's better. So now in this page you can see there are the names of some books and you must read these books. It's just that we are starting the chapter, so there are some names of books. They are interesting books, and just try if you can read a little about it. Okay, so I am going to tell you about these books. Let's have a look, children. See, a girl is reading, and reading is a good habit. Yeah? Okay, now this is a book called Alice Adventures Wonderland. This book is about the adventures of a girl named Alice in a fantasy world, in which she enters after falling through a rabbit hole. एक rabbit hole में गिरने के बाद एलिस एक फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड, फैंटेसी मतलब एक अलग दुनिया, एक फैंटेसी की दुनिया, वहाँ पहुँच जाती है. So this story, this book is about Alice, a little girl Alice. Must be very interesting, children. Just try if you can. I'll just show you something. I want to show you something. See this.
Little Fox. Adventures in Wonderland. Chapter 1, Down the Rabbit
So
Hole.
this is about Alice, okay? Alice Adventures in Wonderland.
On a golden summer afternoon, Alice sat by the river. Her older sister Charlotte sat beside her, happily reading a book. Feeling bored, Alice glanced at her sister's book.
What's the point of a book without pictures?
Alice asked. Charlotte was too busy reading to reply. Alice gave a tired sigh and thought about making a daisy chain. However, that would require getting up to pick the daisies. And the hot day was making Alice feel very tired and lazy. Suddenly, a rabbit ran past the two girls. He was white and wore a colorful vest.
Oh dear,
He cried.
I'm going to be late.
Alice was so sleepy that she didn't think a talking animal was strange. But then the white rabbit pulled a watch from his vest pocket.
Rabbits don't wear vests,
Alice said to herself.
and they certainly don't carry watches.
Alice jumped up and ran after the white rabbit. Near a hedge, he popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice followed right after him, not thinking about how she'd get out. Suddenly, she was falling. "Help!" Alice cried. She felt as if she were falling down a deep well. It was too dark to see anything below, so Alice looked around as she fell. The rabbit hole was lined with cupboards and shelves. Maps and pictures decorated the walls. Alice grabbed a jar labeled orange jam from one shelf. She was disappointed to discover it was empty.
Is this New Zealand or Australia?
Alice was silent for a while, but then she started thinking about Dinah and with Dinah.
We're here. There aren't any mice in the air, but you might catch a bat.
So tired. She was beginning to dream that she was walking hand in hand with Dinah. Alice turned the corner too, but the white rabbit had disappeared. Ahead, the white rabbit was hurrying down a long passage.
I'd better catch up with that rabbit.
Alice ran as fast as she could.
Oh, my ears and whiskers. It's getting very late.
The white rabbit said as he turned a corner. Alice turned the corner too, but the white rabbit had disappeared. She was now in a long, low hall with doors lining both walls. Lamps hanging from the ceiling dimly illuminated the hall.
The white rabbit must have gone through one of these doors.
Alice said. She walked down one side of the hall, trying every door. They were all locked. She walked up the other side of the hall. Those doors were locked too. Alice stood sadly in the middle of the hall.
How will I ever get out of here?
She cried.
So this was about Alice. Alright. So once you read the book, you'll come to know that what happened after that. Alice कहाँ गई? सारे doors तो बंद थे. Okay, interesting. The other book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This book is about a young boy called Charlie Bucket and his adventures inside a chocolate factory. Roald Dahl is the writer. You must read this book, children, if possible. It's an interesting book again. There are few names of the books in your chapter. So I am just telling you how interesting these books are. The Jungle Book. Wow. Mowgli, the character. So it is a story about a boy, a jungle boy, right? Let's have a look. Mowgli.
For the first time ever on Blu-ray, Disney's original musical classic, The Jungle Book.
I want
trying to be like you? The timeless story of Mowgli, a boy left in the wild. So you're the man cub. Crazy.
बच्चों, ये स्टोरी है मोगली के बारे में, अ जंगल बॉय जिसकी केयर जंगल के सारे एनिमल्स करते हैं. यू कैन सी इट्स एन इंटरेस्टिंग बुक, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. इस स्टोरी के ऊपर मूवी भी बनी है, मोगली द सॉन्ग. आई होप यू रिमेंबर द सॉन्ग, राइट? Just see this, how Mowgli is enjoying.
Necessities of life will come to you.
I like being a bear.
That's my boy. Disney's high-flying, swinging, singing adventure. The Jungle Book Diamond Edition. For the
First time ever on Disney Channel, the Jungle Book. Yes. So now we have come to this exercise of our chapter. I have just discussed few books. They are interesting, they are nice. Alice and the Jungle Book, and there are many more. You can select any one and can read those books, children. Let's do this exercise. Read the clues to identify some famous characters, books and films. Alright, and then again, as usual, there is a help box and we have the names. We need to check the name of the character or the film or the book. The first one, a popular fictional character created by Ruskin Bond. Fictional character means a creation. कोई भी ऑथर जब कोई बुक लिखता है तो वो अपने मन से एक कैरेक्टर बनाता है. Write any story, you pick up any story that's not real. The writer makes a character and we call it a fictional character. Okay, the boy is 16-year-old Anglo-Indian from Dehradun and he lives with his guardian Mr. John Harrison. Now this story is about a 16-year-old boy. Ruskin Bond is the writer and the name of the boy is Rusty. See below the help box. The name is written in the help box, children. Rusty, R-U-S-T-Y. So in this blank, you will write Rusty. The Adventures of Rusty. A story about a 16-year-old Anglo-Indian boy. About this boy, he's a quiet, imaginative and sensitive boy who lives with his grandparents. Okay, so when you will read this book, you will learn and you will see a lot about this boy. Written by Ruskin Bond, the famous writer Ruskin Bond, and the name of the character is Rusty. Okay, all right, the next one, dash the blank is the main character of the Pirates of the Caribbean film series. Now, this is a film series. This character is a part of this film series. इस फिल्म में ये कैरेक्टर था. कौन सी फिल्म? Pirates of the Caribbean. He is in search of his ship. इस फिल्म में वो अपना शिप ढूंढता है, उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश कर रहा है. The Black Pearl, the name of the ship is the Black Pearl. His unique appearance got him a lot of fame. जो इस पिक्चर में उस कैप्टन का कैरेक्टर है, चिल्ड्रन, जैसे वो दिखते हैं, दिस पर्सनालिटी गॉट लॉट ऑफ फेम. उनको बहुत, पूरे ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड उनको बहुत रिकग्नाइज किया गया था उनकी लुक्स की वजह से. द कैरेक्टर, सी आई जस्ट शो यू. सी दिस, Pirates of Caribbean. The main character of the Pirates of the Caribbean, Jack Sparrow. Look at him. He looks different, unique, and for this looks, people got to know, he got fame, right? So his unique appearance got him a lot of fame. Okay, so you will write Jack Sparrow. Let's see whether this name is there in the help box. Yes, it's there. See the help box, the yellow color help box. The name Jack Sparrow is there. सो यू विल राइट नंबर 2 कॉलम में आप राइट करेंगे, आप लिखेंगे जैक स्पैरो. See the spelling and write it correctly, children. Jack Sparrow. Okay. The next one. Dash is a fictional character. Again, a fictional character who attends the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry along with Harry and Ron. She often saves them with her intelligence. Harry. Yes, this character is a part of Harry Potter. Harry Potter the film. Yes. So this character, who is the character? A fictional character. Let's have a look, children. Hermione Granger, Harry Potter character. एमा वॉटसन ने ये प्ले किया है. ये रोल इस सीरीज में, इस फिल्म में एमा वॉटसन ने प्ले किया है. एंड ये हैरी पॉटर की फ्रेंड बनती हैं. सी दिस, द गर्ल इन द ब्लू जैकेट, शी इज द कैरेक्टर. और जो स्पेक्स लगा के बॉय खड़ा है, आई एम श्योर आप सबको पता चला होगा, हैरी पॉटर एंड हिज फ्रेंड Hermione Granger. Yes. So you all will write in the blank the hell box, see the hell box and the spelling. Hermione Granger. Right? Hermione Granger is the name of the fictional character who was a part of Harry Potter and was a friend of Harry and Ron. All right? See this. That's Harry, his friend Ron, and friend? Yes, correct. Now the other one. Let's just see the fill in the blank. I'm sorry. Okay. Dash, number 4, I'm reading it, okay? Number 4. Dash is a famous character created by Mark Twain. This young boy is a very good friend of Tom Sawyer. He is not educated, but when he is adopted by the widow Douglas, she sends him to school. So when he is adopted by the widow Douglas, she sends him to school. Now it is a name of a character again, and the character's name is Huckleberry Finn. Children, Huckleberry Finn. See the hell box, the first one. HUCKLEBERRY FINN. Huckleberry Finn is a famous character. जो किसकी बुक में थे? मार्क ट्वेन was the author. उन्होंने ये बुक लिखी थी और उन्हीं की बुक का ये कैरेक्टर हिस्सा था. A young boy. और उनके फ्रेंड का नाम था Tom Sawyer. Yes, he is not educated. And children, I want to tell you something, that yes, this is the book cover. You can see is a character created by Mark Twain. He is a good friend of Tom Sawyer. You can see 2 friends on this book cover. See, ये बुक जब पब्लिश हुई थी बच्चों, तो इस बुक को मार्केट में आने से रोका गया था. इस पर बैन लगाया गया था फॉर सम टाइम, बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ लैंग्वेज ऑथर यूज्ड इन दिस बुक, पीपल डिडंट लाइक इट. एंड द रेसिज्म इज, इसमें ब्लैक एंड वाइट बॉय दिखाया है. ओके, टॉम सॉयर वॉज द वाइट बॉय, यस, एंड हेली बकर वॉज द ब्लैक बॉय. सो ये वाइट, जो लोग गोरे होते हैं या काले होते हैं, पहले इसका बहुत ये सब कुछ रेसिज्म होता था कि जो काले लोग होते थे या ब्लैक पीपल होते थे, उनके साथ ज़्यादा लोग बात नहीं करते थे. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रेसिज्म इस बुक को बैन किया गया था. ऑलराइट, सो प्लीज राइट Huckleberry Finn. Huckleberry Finn, the name of the character. Okay. All right, and the book name is The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. written by Mark Twain. Alright, the next book is interesting. Our hero, the Krish. You all must have seen this movie. Hrithik Roshan acted in this movie. So the answer of this question is Krish. See the hell box. The first blank. Question number, let me just see. 5. Krish grows up to be a famous superhero in the film by his name. His father had met an alien called Jadoo in the film कोई मिल गया. ये पिक्चर तो सबने देखी होगी. कोई मिल गया जिसमें जादू था. So name of the superhero was Krish. Krish. So number 5, you will write Krish. Correct? Great. Now last. Dash is rescued by Shrek, an ogre from a castle that was heavily guarded by dragons. She is cursed to turn into an ogress every day after sunset, till her true love breaks the spell with a kiss. Interesting story. Yes, and the name of the character is Princess Fiona. Yes, children. ये स्टोरी है प्रिंसेस फ्लोना के बारे में. जस्ट सी. fictional character. She is a fictional character in DreamWorks Shrek franchise, first appearing in the animated film Shrek. You must see this film, children. It's a very interesting movie. The name of the movie is Shrek. SHREK Shrek. Name of the movie. But आपको अपने इस क्वेश्चन में जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक है उसमें कैरेक्टर का नाम लिखना है. एंड द नेम ऑफ द कैरेक्टर इज प्रिंसेस फियोना. Princess Fiona. Correct. See this. Shrek and Princess Fiona. So am I clear with all the sentences, with all the question? Let's see this again. Number 1, you will write Rusty. Rusty is a fictional character in the book. The Adventures of Rusty. Rusty. Number 2 is Jack Sparrow. Please check and write all the names correctly. I am repeating it again. Number 1 is Rusty. Number 2, a character who worked in the film Pirates of the Caribbean, and name of the character is Jack Sparrow. Jack, Jack, Jack Sparrow. Number 3, she is a part of the movie Harry Potter, Harry's friend, and the name is Hermione Janger. But you will just write Hermione, Hermione. Name of the character. She was a friend of Harry in the film, in the series, in the books Harry Potter. The famous series Harry Potter. Okay? Hermione. Number 4. Number 4 is a book written by Mark Twain, and the character's name is Huckleberry Finn. Huckleberry. Number 1 जो लिखा है हेल्प बॉक्स में, Huckleberry, HUCKLEBERRY. Huckleberry Finn is at number 4. Number 4 का जो ब्लैंक है वहाँ पर आएगा Huckleberry Finn is a famous character created by Mark Twain, a story of a young boy. Okay. Number 5 is our superhero Krish. KRRISH, Krish. And last, Princess Fiona. Princess Fiona, FIONA. Princess Fiona. Am I clear, children? I hope you all have understood well. Alright, we have just discussed few books and the characters. We have searched few books, I told you. about books, the interesting stories, and some authors, creators, name of the books and characters. The Superman, Krish, and lots more, children. So, hugs to you, and it's time to say bye. We will continue the class tomorrow with rest of the exercises. Till then, please complete these exercises. Lots of love and hugs to my little ones. Bye bye. Take care.